Hi everyone and welcome to this week's exciting weekly update. This week I want to talk to you about the new and improved Flowmax.ie website, and I'm delighted to have our Managing Director Michael O'Reilly here to tell us about some of the improvements. Welcome Michael.
Thanks DJ.
So tell us about the improvements you've made.
Well, we've given it a new look and feel, modernised the design, it's a responsive website, so it means it can be used on any device basically.
Okay, so devices such as the iPhone and Android devices.
Yeah.
Very good. So tell us about some of these new features like track order and so on.
Well, the track your order feature was very important for us to bring to this version of the website. Our customers will receive an email when they place an order. On dispatch they'll receive a further email which will give them a tracking number, DPD tracking number, which they can put in here, and it'll tell them the day, date and time that it'll be delivered. On the morning of your delivery you can receive a text to tell you exactly what time it's going to deliver that, and it's generally within 15 or 20 minutes to go.
Okay, excellent. And I noticed as well you have the live chat.
Yeah, we've had that for some years now, but this is a new and improved version. We've got people online all day long from 8:30 to 6 PM, right through lunch, to answer any queries about the website, about the company itself, about the products, technical or functionality of the website.
Well done, fantastic. So tell the users about the products themselves, product selection.
Well, the product page has been improved quite a bit.
Okay.
You can check your stock live, so it'll tell you whether we've got something in stock or not, which 90% of the time we do have. On the off chance that we don't have it in stock, it'll tell you the lead time, delivery time, and that's accurate. It's got pricing there, it's got technical features, it's got a related tab now, which means that if you order, for example, a pneumatic cylinder and you want mountings, you can drop down the related items tab and it'll tell you the accessories suitable for the diameter cylinder that you've selected.
Okay, fantastic. And what about the my account section? Is there any features and benefits there?
Loads of features and benefits there.
Okay.
The My Account section is very important to us. We're trying to make it a real resource for the customer. You can download, when you log in and you're registered with us, you can download your invoices, you can download your statements, you can check your own pricing, any special offers that are related to trade customers. You can also look in your favourites basket, which means that throughout the website as you're shopping you can add any product to your favourites basket, so that's there for future use. You can look at previous orders, you can reorder them, and you can also track your existing order from that screen as well. Okay,
fantastic. Finally Michael, is there any other features or benefits that you'd like to add on carriage, things like that?
Well, free carriage for all orders online over €200. It's multi-currency now, so we've got Euro, Sterling and US dollars. We show prices excluding VAT as standard because we're a B2B company predominantly, but if people want to see it including VAT, it's there as well.
Okay, and you're displaying some offers as well, I see?
Yeah, some crazy offers really, but they're there for the customers to use, and they're available online mostly, but many of them are available offline as well.
Okay, Michael, thanks a million for your input. Don't forget to get on our new website www.flowmax.ie and see for yourself the new improvements made. Thanks everyone.
Thank you.